Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. What's this? Gotta get out. Hello, my cuties. Hello, everyone. My name is Master Player. I want you to meet my dogs, Cassie and Betsy. My cutie pies. Oh, they're still eating. Come here. Come here. Don't bite me. Oh, he likes me. I love. My favorite one is this. Oh, don't bite me. Bad. Bad. Continue eating. Continue. And that's Cassie. The one that's always running around is Betsy. Yeah, so those are my dogs. I want you to say hi to them. Come on, say hi to them. Come on. There's a Cassie likes to eat. This one likes to roam around. So I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. I mean, video. And I hope you like my dogs. There's still 5. So, bye.